is under control, your dog is burning, but you already know who's got the feeling, who's got the feeling, who's got the feeling tonight.